Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Leo and let's do some more Leetcode problems today. Today's problem is called max consecutive ones. So we were given a binary array nums and an integer k, and we are going to return the maximum number of consecutive ones in the array if you can flip at most k zeros. So we were basically given this array with only 1 and 0, and we are given a k of 2. So k is to tell us how many times that we can flip the zeros to 1. Okay, so for this, and we're going to output the longest consecutive ones after flipping k zeros. Okay, so here we can take a look at this. If we flip 2 zeros here, we got a maximum length of 5, and then we go next. Then at this time we can't flip any more zeros, so we have nothing over here. Okay, then we go next, but first we need to get rid of all the zeros here, because if we have 3 zeros we can never achieve anything, so we have must at most 2 zeros here. Okay, and then we go, now we get a longer distance of 6, and then if we go further we have 3 zeros, so it's not valid at all. So, and the final result is 6. We can either go here or here, okay, after flipping 2 zeros to 1. And this is another example here. I will not go through it. So basically we have 3 consecutive zeros here. I suppose the longest would be something like this, okay? Or we can do something like this. Oh, this is even longer. Maybe from here. So that's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, yes, because we have 3k, right? So how should we do this? This looks pretty typical of a sliding window. So basically we have 2 pointers over here, and we go all the way to the right to see if it's valid. If it's valid, we calculate the maximum length so far. If it's not valid, like this, we shrink from the left side. And once we have a valid answer, we will continue going right. Okay, so let's code it out. So we have 2 pointers. Let me call it left and right. Okay, so for right equals to 0, right is less than nums.length. As I said, if we go to the right, that means if nums right equals to 0, we're going to flip it so we can decrement the k. And if we are out of k, we're out of flips, we shrink from the left. So how should we shrink from the left if we want to only manipulate on k's? We can see if it's a 1, we will not add anything to k. But if it's a 0, we will add 1 to k. So basically we can say 1 minus nums left. And we're going to move left to the right. Okay? So once we're valid, we can continue. Yeah. So at last, it will give us a sliding window with k equals to 0 and with the longest distance. So at this time we can just return right minus left. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I think it passes all the test cases. So for complexities, since we're only traversing the array for once, it's going to be n, and since we don't have any other data structures that takes up space, the space complexity would be a 1. Okay, let's submit it. All right, it passes all the test cases. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will update more relevant videos in the future. Thank you so much. I'll see you in our next time.